Guys, so this thread I was posting was that I installed the new harmonic balancer, and it started making like a weird rubbing slash knocking noise. Alright, some of you guys thought it was this one. No, it was not this one. I already went through that phase of I thought it was spun rod bearing, and no, it's not. And you can see right here that the front of the stock one, the one that came on it, has more notches. Less notches than the one right there. If you can see it right there, kind of in a whitish a little bit. And the backs are exactly the same. Of course, this one's missing chips, pieces of metal and shit. But fuck it. All right, this one right here. The front is the exact same, besides the little notches that line up right there. As you can see, it has a lot more. The backs are exactly the same. Belts are tensioned up. I don't have a battery right now. Gotta wait till the mommy gets home so I can use hers. And you see right there that this one's tense. And this, I'm just from up here. Tension on that one, you can see it, is good. The tension on, well, you can't see that one, but that one's good too. Alright, what I discovered is, I know it's time for a new timing belt. See a little fray right there if you can focus. Then, and no, I'm not running it like this, I took it off. Then when I rotate it from the bottom, I hear like a little squeaking noise. So I don't know if that could be a timing belt or something. But just let you guys know that I'm hearing this noise. And I don't know if at full speed and then the engine running you can hear it. But right now I'm about to turn the motor a little bit and you should be able to hear it. Let me make sure the cams are, yeah, they're still timed. Just making sure. Alright, hold on. And I'm about to turn it now. I don't know if you heard that, but it's like a squeak noise. Then right there, I'm not really familiar, but it shouldn't get harder to turn with the rotational mass. I can't remember, don't flame me for it, but about to do another turn. It's getting harder again. You hear the squeaky noise? Let me put it closer. Try to see if I get it right there. Just got hard to turn right there. So that right there, I don't know if there's something in the timing cover or whatsoever. I haven't taken it off, but DSM tuner is just not acting right for my phone and my laptop. So I will be chilling until it works. So I'm gonna post a video, put it on the thread, and let me guys know what you think it is, or if you ran across this problem. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that one guy said that the bottom cover, if it's not aftermarket, or if it's not fluidine or such and such or OEM, that you have to trim the bottom. See, if this one was replaced, that one's not OEM, but like the little cover. Hold on, let me get it in the car. Right here. Let me see. Well, you can't see it. Fuck. It's like, you know, the timing cover. There we go. Timing cover. The one next to the the water pump pull, the air compressor. Fuck it, I don't care. But that one was it had like a little notch at the bottom of it. Like it got cut away by the pulley or some shit. And I saw little scratches, like maybe one or two little small ones on the pulley. So I didn't know if it was, you know, for me putting it in there, rubbing against the frame or some bullshit like that. Anyway, I took a little lighter and burned it a little bit to get it nice and hot. Then took it and scraped some of it off. so I can leave some clearance. Saw little rub marks in the back of it, so looks like the pulley's sitting fine. Not sure if it's rubbing, so if it is, I might. No, it's not gonna do anything. I don't want to take this shit to the shop, but I don't hear that rubbing noise that I hear when I start the motor. So I don't know if it could have been a belt or something. Could have been that rubbing against this plastic over here. I don't know. I don't see any fray lines on the belt. But when I started, I'll let you guys know what's going on. I have to change these belts. But appreciate you guys for giving me y'all's info, and I'll keep you guys posted.